Okay. Am I audible, guys? Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Guys, તમે આવ્યા છો કેમ નહીં? મેં તમને કીધું કે ટ્યુઝડે આવી જજો. એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ હવે તમને કઈ રીતે કરાવું? તમારી પાસે ઘરે રાસ્પબેરી પાઈ હોય તો મને વાંધો નથી કે હું કરતી જાઉં, સાથે સાથે તમે કરતા જાઓ. કઈ રીતે એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરશો ગાઈસ? તમે મને કહો. Let me try one thing. I don't even know am I able to Google Meet માં તમે Guys, are you able to see the setup? Setup દેખાય છે guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is your DHT11 sensor. Okay. In this your DHT11 sensor, there are 3 pins: VCC pin, data pin, and the ground pin. Okay. The ground pin is connected. Okay. તમારા બેક કેમેરા નો છે એટલે એટલો ઇશ્યુ થાય. Okay, this is your Raspberry Pi. This is your DHT11. Okay, your DHT11 sensor has 3 pins: data pin, ground pin, and VCC pin. Now, the ground pin of your DHT11 sensor will be connected to the ground pin of your Raspberry Pi. Now, if you don't remember, there are 8 ground pins in the Raspberry Pi, but if you don't remember, then this is the easiest way to remember. Okay, in the first column, the last pin is the ground. Okay, so if at times you get confused and you don't know where the ground is, then this is the safest idea if you are working with the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so this is the ground pin. Now in the second column, the first pin is of 5 volts. Okay, so we will connect our VCC to the 5 volts. Now why are we connecting it? Is because our DHT11, DHT22 sensors works with the 5 volt. If it works with 3.3 volt, then you need to connect 3.3 volt. Guys, समझ में आ रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and your data pin will be connected to any kind of GPIO pin. Okay, here I am connecting GPIO number 14 to my data pin of my DHT11. Okay, now just like Arduino, it doesn't have a GPIO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Okay, it will have different GPIO pins at different area. So you need to know where your GPIO 14 is located. Now I know this is where my GPIO number 14 pin is located. So I have connected this. If you want to connect with GPIO number 8, then you should know where GPIO number 8 is. And based on that, you will change the connections in your code. Guys, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now when I give a power to my Raspberry Pi, ओके तो आप लोगों को क्या सीखना है, आप लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए एज DHT11 सेंसर हैज द स्टेटस एलईडी, so as soon as you give power to the DHT11 your status LED should turn on. ओके सो आप लोगों को जो भी सेंसर से काम कर रहे हो आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि उस सेंसर में कंपोनेंट्स कितने, अगर उस सेंसर में स्टेटस एलईडी नाम का कोई कंपोनेंट है तो आप जैसे ही उसको पावर देते हो ये ऑन होनी चाहिए. ओके सो यू शुड नो दैट दिस एलईडी इज द स्टेटस एलईडी. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि सारी एलईडी सेंसर में स्टेटस एलईडी ही होती है. ओके बट इन DHT11 इट इज अ स्टेटस एलईडी. द सेम वे इफ यू टर्न ऑन द रास्पबेरी पाई, यहाँ पे बूटिंग प्रोसीजर स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. ओके सो इफ यू आर टर्निंग ऑन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम तो आप लोगों को 3-4 मिनट के लिए रुकना पड़ेगा. ओके अदरवाइज ये रेड एलईडी ऑन होनी चाहिए और ग्रीन एलईडी ब्लिंक करती होनी चाहिए. इफ दिस इज द केस दैट मींस आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस माय रास्पबेरी पाई. गाइस ये बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज, आप लोग जो आर्डिनो में करने वाले थे दैट DHT11 एडाफ्रूट की DHT लाइब्रेरी हम लोग इंस्टॉल करेंगे और उसका यूज करके हम लोग कोड लिखेंगे. हम लोग इसमें भी यही बात करने वाले हैं. ओके और उसके लिए आप लोगों को थोड़े बहुत कमांड्स डालने पड़ेंगे, उसके बाद आप लोग वो एक्सेस कर सकते हो. ओके लेट मी प्रेजेंट माय स्क्रीन. Are you able to see the Windows PowerShell, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the first thing which you need to do is कि पहले तो मुझे रास्पबेरी पाई का एक्सेस लेना पड़ेगा. Okay. For that you need to use the SSH. और SSH यूज करने के लिए मैंने आपको एक मेथड सिखाई थी. आप लोगों को इंस्टॉलेशन के टाइम वो सारी फाइल क्रिएट करनी है, एक SSH की फाइल क्रिएट करनी है और एक WPA नेटवर्क के लिए .CUNF फाइल क्रिएट करनी है. ओके एंड योर रास्पबेरी पाई एंड योर लैपटॉप शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन द सेम नेटवर्क. ओके if they are not on the same network तो वो एक्सेस नहीं होगा. Now to gain the access of the Raspberry Pi you need to give the command SSH pi @ फिर आप लोगों को उसका IP एड्रेस डालना पड़ेगा. ओके the IP address of my Raspberry Pi is 172.20.10.6. Connection time bound. Okay. Connection bound. Okay, कबूटी सॉफ्ट करें इनकी कनेक्शन वच्चे થી નીકળી ગઈ અમારા રાસ્પબેરી પાઈ નો ઇશ્યુ. Okay, wait for some time, guys. Let me see if it is booting or not. Okay. If I can't get the access of the Raspberry Pi, I don't know how will I show you the experiment. Okay, I was able to get it. Even in the morning, I was able to get it. But as I was showing you the connections, something happened. Okay, and I thought that by restarting it, I will be able to do it, but I'm not able to do it. Let me just check. Am I able to ping it or not? Ping 172.20.10.6. I'm able to ping it. I think. No. Request timed out. Issue here. Okay, guys, I will give you the new meeting link as soon as I resolve this error. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Because as I was showing you the connection by mistake, some of the connections were let loose, and because of that, now there is an issue. I'm not able to gain the access of my Raspberry Pi. I'm not even able to ping it because Raspberry Pi is not rebooting as soon as I give the power. Okay, I'll see what can I do, and I will send you the another meeting. You can give your attendance over here.